Ever look at your car and thought, yeah, this paint could look way better? What if I told you for around 60, you can bring it back to life at home? Today I'm checking out this Seesii 1600W car buffer polisher, a budget-friendly rotary polisher that's made for DIY detailers, beginners, and honestly anyone who wants their car shining like new. Okay, and this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Seesii corded buffer polisher. The model is the TS512, and it comes with two orange 6 inches pad, two 6-inch sandpaper, the handle for the tool, 1 6 and 7-inch base for the pads, and this is a 7-inch soft pad, and it comes with the manual and all the screws to install the handle. And this is the polisher. Has some weight. This is metal in here and this is plastic, but it feels good. So it has a safety here and levels in here. You can choose from max 6 till 1 till 6, the speed, and then max. That's cool. So let's test it out and let's see how good it is. Okay, and this is everything that comes inside of the box. Time to test the polisher. We're gonna test it on the Corolla, but first I'm gonna do a quick wash to remove the dirt. Then after that, we're gonna polish the hood. We're gonna do the half, and we're gonna see the difference for the half and the other half. And this is the product that I'm gonna be using. This is Precision Palette number 1 and Done and Compound. Correct and Finish from Turtle Wax. I'm gonna be using the orange pad. We're gonna put a little bit like this, and I'm gonna put it on the number 3. Okay, now let's see if we see a difference. Okay, yeah. I only did one pass and it looks different from this one. It looks darker and this one looks like a more gray. Cool, so you can see the difference there. So I'm gonna finish the whole hood and let's see how it looks. Okay, the hood is done. Probably it's hard to see it on the camera, but it's better. It's not like a new car, of course, because this is an old car. But I had some scratches in here, and now those are gone. It's amazing. So it looks more shiny, more glossy, and more black, like a darker black, because before it used to look more, I don't know if you can see it here, more gray black, but not that deep, and now it's like a deep black. It's amazing. So it works pretty good. I'm not gonna bore you doing the whole car, but you can see the difference here. Looks amazing. And these are the top specs. You can check them out here. So yeah, if you're trying to level up your detailing game without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. It's powerful, easy to use, and gets real results. If you want to check it out, the link is down below in the description. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.